Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add emoji in YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And show you how to do it. Alright, open YouTube. And click on plus. And start recording or choose your video. And click on done. And click on text. And click on left corner face and choose emoji and click on done. The fingers zoom in, zoom out, change position, rotation. All right. And click on next. And click on pencil left corner. Select preview. Click on done. And click on caption your shorts. Write name shorts. And click on the left corner smile face and choose emoji. And click on screen and click on visibility and public, click on back and click on upload short or save draft. Alright, that's it.